Hey everyone, it's Rick from Montana Outlaw BBQ. And here tonight we're going to make two different kinds of pizza that you can cook on a grill, gas grill, charcoal grill, Traeger. And it's something super fast and easy for a family at night. Or if you're having a party, make a bunch of dough up and then have everybody make their own version of the pizza. It cooks in like 4 or 5 minutes. So we're anxious to show you how it works. We're going to show you how to do pizza outlaw style. All right, so tonight we're gonna make two pizzas. Last night we made our own honey wheat pizza crust. You can look on our schedule or on the screen here and find the recipe. Super simple, basically flour, some honey, yeast, let it sit and rise. So we're gonna cut in two, and it's just easy just to squeeze them off. And it doesn't have to be exact. So they're close to the same side. We'll set that one aside. Just put a little sprinkle of flour on your stick. We'll roll it out here. Cool thing about pizza, you're only limited by your imagination. You can make it a barbecue pizza. You can make it a margarita pizza. You can make it all meat. You can do whatever you want. And you know, I'm kind of a meat guy, so I'll go heavy on the meat. But you want to roll this thing out until you get the right size. So you start seeing it take shape. The cool thing about pizzas is they cook in about 3 to 5 minutes, so they're super fast. So everybody can make their own pizza, and you still can get through a crowd in a hurry. All right, so there we go. There's the first crust. So we're ready to put the sauce on it and decorate them and get it in the smoker. We're back, getting ready to put together this pizza. You can see we have some ingredients spread around here. We got some marinara sauce, we got some mozzarella, some fresh basil, and some prosciutto. It's the wine talking, excuse me, and some other Italian coppa. So anyway, we'll start by putting on sauce, and you can either put as much or as little as you want. That's all up to you. Like I said, making a pizza like this is totally to your imagination. Another key thing to have in here is make sure you always put a little cornmeal underneath your pizza crust. That allows it to not stick and slide right onto your pizza stone when you get into your cooker, the oven, or your grill. Say you can cook this in an oven if you want it at home, but today we're going to cook it on a grill. Of course, because we're outlaws, that's how we do. All right, so we got sauce on there. Let's throw some of this on there. And we'll make two different kinds this tonight. So we'll put that right like that. You can put like some veggies on there. Some folks, don't like the meat. So I mean, a vegetable pizza is awesome. Not for me, but some people. I'll lay this one right like this. How's that look? Perfect, okay. Then we'll take some fresh basil and we'll just chop it up kind of. This will give it a tremendous flavor. There's nothing better than fresh basil. I'm going to cut these up a little bit. And now we'll put some fresh mozzarella on there. So there you go. That's how you put together a pizza. Very simple. This one just has a few ingredients, but you can put whatever you want on it. You could add some mushrooms on it. You could add pepperonis, whatever you like. But a lot of times, like I say, you can put together a taco or a bar of all different ingredients and let folks just put together what you want. Okay, this will go on the grill at about 600 degrees for about 3 to 5 minutes. Very quick, very fast. Next guy can be putting together, or next person can be putting together their pizza, and you can go as fast as you want to go. So let's go put it on. We'll see you in about 3 minutes. So all right, we're back out here to the grill. We're gonna use a barrel pit today. Ty's giving me a hand. I'll pick it up and we'll slide it right on the clay tray. So now we got the pizza on the stone. Make sure you always preheat the stone. Let it sit 3 to 5 minutes, ready to go. We'll see you in a few minutes. We're back. So we're gonna make pizza number 2. So what we're gonna do here is go ahead and roll this out like we did last time. We're gonna make this one just a little different. And I'm a sauce kind of guy, so I'm gonna lay this one on a little thicker than we did last time. Now this meat's really super thin, so I'm gonna put a couple layers on, because this will have a stronger flavor than the other one, just by design, the way it's made. But it should be like really good. Okay, there's a lot of meat. So then I'm gonna put a little bit of our pork rub on this one, just to give it a different flavor. Montana Outlaw pork rub. We're not gonna put it on very thick. We're gonna put just a light coating to give it a little flavor. That'd be fine. Now on this one, we'll put some basil leaves on it again. Just gives it another little flavor profile in there. And you think these are pretty big leaves, but when you cook them, they get really soft and they'll be fine. So just tear them so they release their aroma, which is amazing. Now this time, on this one, I'm gonna use shredded mozzarella rather than the fresh mozzarella. So, of course, mozzarella is a very mild cheese anyway, by nature. It's made out of skim milk. So there we go. You can tell this pizza looks totally different than the last one. So it's all ready to go, ready to take it out in the grill and cook it up. So we'll see you in a few minutes. We got the two pizzas done, ready to try them and slice them and try them. You can see they look totally different. On this one, we drizzle just a little bit of balsamic vinegar and oil, give it a little different flavor. So let's cut a piece and see how it looks. Let's give it a try. That's good, really good. So everybody, thanks for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks again for everyone for checking our socials, Facebook, Instagram, and of course our YouTube channel. We appreciate all your support. If you haven't yet, subscribe, hit the button, hit the notification number. We appreciate it so much, and have a great day.